Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today I'll be installing this front skid plate on the XC60. So the skid plate goes on the front, and it is to protect the car from taking any damage on the front bumper. As you can already see, I do have some scuff marks on the front bumper, and we'll put the skid plate on to protect the car from taking any further damage. And before we install the skid plate, we'll just clean the surface area. Alright, so the skid plate is now ready to be installed to the car, and here is the part numbers if anyone is interested. The skid plate comes in two pieces. You have a cover and the actual skid plate. This is the part number for the cover. This is for the actual skid plate. I'll also put the numbers in the description below. The skid plate is now ready to be installed to the car. So we do have 3 screws over here. So we'll install it to the car and put these 3 screws in to hold it in place. Alright then, so the skid plate is now installed to the car, and it will help protect the front bumper from getting any scuff marks or damage. And it also looks kinda nice on the car, giving it a more rugged look. You will also need a drill to do this, since the screws are drilled inside of the plastics. The skid plate will fit any model, whether you have the Momentum or Design or the Inscription models. They do fit all of the models across the range. And if you do have any questions about this video, then please put them in the comments below. And as always, please like and subscribe. Thanks.